Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican stewed peas. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by boiling the pigtail because you know the pigtail is really salty, so we're gonna boil this at least 2 times to get rid of some of the salt. Because if you don't do this, the stew peas will be extra salt. So you just want to boil the pigtail for at least 15 minutes 2 times, and then you throw off the water, then you boil it again to get rid of the excess salt. So we're gonna boil this twice. I'm gonna drain this off and repeat the process. This is finished. Now we can move on to making the stewed peas. In the next pot, I add just enough water to boil the peas and the meat to cook. If you find out the water is evaporating too quick, you just add some more water to the pot. So just add enough water to boil the peas. So I'm adding some pimento berries or pimento seed, and I'm gonna add a Maggi beef bouillon cube to the pot. I'm gonna add 4 garlic, and I'm gonna add some onion dice. I'm using half of the onion right now, and I'm gonna use 16 ounces of peas. This is stew peas, so you need lots of peas in your stew peas. Now we're gonna use chicken foot, and I'm gonna add the pigtail. I'm gonna let this cook. We want the peas to be tender, and we want the chicken foot to be tender, and also the pigtail. And this is gonna take up to maybe an hour or so until everything is nice and tender. Moving on to the next step, I'm gonna make the spinners. You wanna wash your hands, and spinners are basically dumplings. So we're gonna get about 1 cup of water or half cup of water with 1 cup of flour. You can use more, or you could use less. If you like lots of spinners in your stew peas, use more flour. I don't really like spinners in a but I'm just making them, to be honest. So you just want to add the water gradually and then form a dough, just like when you're making dumpling. Now I just want to knead it in for everything to be combined. So this was simple and easy, and this is how I make the spinners for the dumpling. It has been an hour and 30 minutes. And the peas and the pigtail and the chicken foot is nice and tender. Look at this, so soft. This is looking absolutely good. And smelling good too. Okay. I'm gonna taste it. Tasting really good. I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna add some more green onion, scallion, and thyme. I'm gonna add about half cup of coconut milk. So that's about half cup. Now I'm gonna add my spinners, and all you want to do is roll this up in your hands like this. Make them big or make them small, make them how you like them. So I'm using about this amount, and I just rub it, roll it out in my hands, and just add it to the pot. I'm just gonna continue the process until all the dough is finished. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of complete seasoning. You can use any all-purpose seasoning you got, but I'm gonna use Badia complete seasoning. and we're gonna let this cook for the next half an hour. So this is it, guys, the finished product. I want to give a big shout out to Dosa or Ladisha for suggesting this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Also leave me a comment down below and what you like to eat stew peas with, and how you like your stew peas with spinners or without spinners. So thanks for watching, guys. This is smelling amazing, and don't it look good, guys? Don't it look good? Don't lie. This is so rich and creamy and nice, and this is lots of protein, and I'm gonna eat this with some rice and enjoy this with my Jamaican beetroot. And as I said before, you don't have to use pigtail. You can use salt beef, you can use oxtail, you can use turkey neck, you can use whatever you like to add in your stew peas. It's just a wide variety of meat that you can use. Bye, guys.